Okay, guys, so I just melted some gum, and
Where is
this,
where's my gum at? Where'd you hide it? Please tell me.
I didn't hide it.
Where is it all at? You did, because you ate it all.
No, I didn't.
Where's it at?
I don't know.
Here, I'll pick it up for you.
Yeah, hold it. Hold it.
Ouch, no.
No, I mean hold the bowl. But it will look like this, and it's like the slimiest, weirdest looking thing. And I put two gums put together. You wait until it cools down. You put it in there for 30 seconds, and then it will turn it into gum, like gum slime. It will be hot, but it's really fun to play with. And that's why I made it for you guys today. So, bye guys. And please check on Heather Duncan channel so you can see what I made today. Bye guys.